Hello angels! This video is all about eyes, specifically the under eye. Are you afraid of looking like a raccoon? Are you afraid of creating even darker circles underneath your eyes? Are you afraid of making yourself look as though you had no sleep at all last night? Well, hopefully this video will help you get over that fear, because applying shadow to your under eye area is going to make your eyes that much bigger. Follow these steps to make your eyes larger, wider, brighter, and just, oh, so gorgeous. The first thing you want to think about is coordinating your under eye area with the upper lid, right? So if you notice here, I'm wearing a beautiful gold. I'm using the gold from this palette here. It is called, what do you call it? I can't read. Secretive. But I'm also using these colors here, Arrogant and Brave. And notice how the brightest color is in the inner corner and the darker colors are over here. What this does is make this side of the eye sink in and this side brighten out. Kind of like a beveling effect. So that this side of the face is looking snatched, right? And the center is just zooming in right into your face. We want to use that same technique for the under eye area as well. I like to start by tight lining the under waterline. I'm going to use this pencil from Younique in the shade Perfect. Now you do not have to go this dark. You can use a nice deep brown if that is your liking. I'm going to use a powder puff, slip my little fingies in here, place it on the eye and very gently pull down. Notice how you can barely tell I'm pulling down a very, very small amount. And that's it. I'm not applying a whole lot. Now, for a reason the black is too strong for you and you want to smoke it out a little bit, just take a flat shader brush and blend it out a little bit. Now, to coordinate the colors on the top and bottom lid, I'm going to go in with the lighter brown shade that I use, Arrogant, and then go in with Brave. I'm going to use Arrogant on a fluffier brush and apply like so. I'm not being super careful. And then blend out with the nice, clean, fluffy brush. Now you can stop right here or go in with a detail brush, aka just a smaller brush. You can even use that shader brush from earlier. And dip into the darkest color and use just the tip. Just the tip. And then just smudge this out. Concentrating on the outer V. If you like, you can go ahead and blend some more. I like to push, push, push into the inner corner. Gorgeous! I'm going to go back in with this shader brush. I wiped her off a little bit. And we're going to go into that pretty gold color. That's Secretive. Right in the inner corner, sometimes you can take a little pinky and just pull down a little bit. And plop it in. Just like this. And look at that, my eye just got bigger, especially in this inner corner here. So if you zoom out just a little bit, you see how this eye looks kind of complete. It looks like it's one solid frame. I'm thinking this eye actually looks like it's a lot more sleepy than this one. So even though a lot of us are afraid to go underneath the eye because we're afraid of looking sleepy, it actually does the opposite. I'm going to zoom you in just a little bit closer so you can see it up close. See that difference? I hope this video helps you to face that fear of looking sleepy. And if you're really that scared, do it on a weekend where you have no plans. Just do it in the morning, practice, play a little bit, and then take pictures and show me what you look like. That sounded a little bit creepy, but I want to see your job. I want to see your makeup job. I want to see your efforts. I want to see you try. And I promise to give you some feedback if there's anything going on. If there's a certain type of brush that you should use instead of the one you're using, or if there's a certain product you should be using instead, or a different kind of, this is usually it, a different kind of practice in the stroking that you're using. I am just all kinds of dirty today. I can help guide you on your actual application technique. So I hope that was super helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful, splendiferous day. Bye-bye, angels!